Okay. Are you talking about the equipment itself or Earth also? Well, we'd like to get a good picture of the NKR, the white panels that are around. Okay, understood.
Не хочет? У тебя получается? Нет. Кнопка что ли?
Can't seem to push the button.
With the panorama of the Pacific Ocean below him, Dmitry Kondratiev's view of the world from 220 miles aloft as he continues work to take photographs, closeout pictures of the electrical connections. He continues to work in the mating of, along with Oleg Skripochka, for the Molniya Gamma experiment, the first objective of this spacewalk that is now 1 hour 40 minutes in duration.
Different location. About